In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to Pipedrive. This is a simple process, but once you know how to do it properly, it can really help keep all of your important files organized right inside your deals and contacts. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Pipedrive account. First, you'll want to open the specific record where you want to attach your document. In Pipedrive, that will usually be a deal or a person. So from your main dashboard, navigate to your list of deals or people, then click on the one that's relevant for the document you're adding. For example, if this file relates to a sales opportunity, choose the corresponding deal. If it's more of a general contact document, you might prefer to attach it to a person. Opening the right record at the start will save you confusion later when you're trying to find the file again. Once you're inside that deal or person view, scroll down until you see the Files section. This is where Pipedrive keeps all documents related to that record, so it's the central place to manage contracts, proposals, presentations, or any supporting materials. Take a moment to locate the Files area, and if your screen is smaller or you have a lot of custom fields, you may need to scroll a bit more than usual. In the Files section, look for the button labeled Upload File. Go ahead and click on that. This tells Pipedrive you want to add a new document from your computer rather than linking from somewhere else. Clicking this button will open a standard file picker window on your device. Now, in the file picker window, navigate to the folder where your document is stored. This might be in your downloads, your desktop, or a project-specific folder. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct version of the file, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. Click once on the document you want to upload, then click the Open button. Pipedrive will begin uploading the file to the record you selected. After a moment, you should see the document appear in the Files section of that deal or person. From here, you and your team can open it directly, download it, or simply use it as a reference whenever you're working on that record. And that's all there is to adding a document to Pipedrive.